You need some walnuts? They're tasty? Wait, break them. Break it in here, please. You have to break that one too. These are big. Yeah, but you have to break them. You have to make them smaller, please.
Oh, there's a big one.
Thank you. One more. Here. You have to break that too. No, that's enough.
Oh, there's one.
Okay, that's enough. You're done? Okay.
Yes, it's mixing.
Okay, mix it. Oh, put the apple back. Good job. This is buttermilk. Pick it up carefully and pour it inside the bowl. Good job. Good job, Booby.
Let's put some flour.
Wait, now let's put some flour. Put the oil in the bowl carefully. Good job, Booby.
Oh, yeah. Now what do we do?
Okay, go. Good job. Thank you. No. Here, add some more flour. Go ahead. Don't mix it just yet, okay? Wait a second, I have to add another
It's
one.
a lot of flour. A little bit of flour. Making flour.
I asked it here. Oh my goodness.
There's a lot of milk.
Thank you. Good job.
Whoa, is this little a scoop?
Add some cinnamon.
Six.
Okay, that's enough. That's enough. Okay, add the apples. Get the apples.
Okay,
Oh, use both hands, please. Good job. Let me take the spoon out.
let's put the apples.
It's okay. It kind of went everywhere. Okay.
It's too hard.
Good job.
It smells yummy.
Sprinkle it all over the top. Get it all around the edges. Okay. Continue, baby
It's
girl.
a yucky boy.
Yeah. Don't squish it between your fingers, okay? So your hands won't get really dirty. Good job.
It's a lot.
Brava. Well, one fell. Put that one on the cake. Okay, here. Put one mullet. Put it right there. Good job. Are they yummy? Tasty, tasty? Put another one here. Well, don't squish it inside. It's okay. Yes, you do.